This 2007 Kenworth T800P, engine rebuilt, is brought to you by Diamond Truck Sales. Engine rebuilt, 2007 Kenworth T800B, manual 18/S, white, Cummins Prism, 385B, HP 475, ratio 456, front/rear axle 146K/46K, 1,237,987 kms, price $73,000, only 5,000 kms covered after engine refueling, neat and clean, tire condition very good, HST and license cost would be extra. Don and Amp, number 39, T. Miss the great deal. For more details please contact Manjeet Dewan 647-518-2122. Visit us at diamondtrucks.v12soft.com.